Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the scalping scanner that was working well on live market. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. I'm going to tell about the some important things about the scanner. So don't skip the video and watch the video continuously. And if you are a new again on my channel, kindly subscribe. So this 5-minute scalping scanner that was working perfect and well for a scalpers. So the 5-minute continues up in the first 5 minutes candle. So the bullish momentum can expect on the stock. But if it is not continues the momentum, if it is breaks that stop or breaks that entry point, stop loss point, there is a sell reversal also be possible. So what are the stocks we got on a first 15 minutes scanner? So these are the stocks for a bullish side and a Lalpath lab also for a bullish side. So I just developed the scanner for a multiple time frame. So this is what a 15 minutes time frame and it's about 16 minutes time frame. So both the time frame, all the time frames are working well for this kind of scanner that I'm going to discuss here now. So let's look at the first one is Cipla, Escorts and Apollo Hospital. So these are the stocks which we get for a buying opportunity. Na? So let me go for a Cipla in 5-minute chart. So that I'm telling you how to use the scanner and when to exit and other things. So the first one we find out Cipla, but today overall market is negative and everyone is going down and down. So let focus the Cipla. So first, second and third, 3 consecutive green candles. So that scanner will find out the 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes candles were giving you some bullishness, right? But after that the stock doesn't continues the trend over and above the third 5 minutes candle. Our signal candle is about third candle should be our signal candle. So what kind of signal? So if it is broke the high, if it is broken the high of 1093, so that is what 1093 and 1086.4. So the high of the candle is 1093 and the low of that particular candle is 1086.5. So here these are the two levels we got from that 5 minutes candle. When the stock, if it is continues this momentum, so first 3 candle it continues the good momentum. If it continues the same momentum, it must break the high and it can continue. Instead of breaking that high, it broken the low, so it may be the trap for a first 15 minutes candle. So it never moves after that first 15 minutes candle high. So this is what the first 15 minutes candle, that 3 bar, the first 15 minutes candle. The next after that the stock doesn't broke the first 15 minutes candle. The first 15 minutes candle is the crucial candle, so where we are going to focus it. So most of the time we are waiting for a trade after first 15 minutes. So let me go for the stock and 1090 and 1086. How many points are the stop loss for the trade? Is around 1093 to 86. Somewhere around 7 points is the stop loss. Once it is broken, so what we are going to understand at this point, if it is doesn't broke the high, so maybe it can reverse from the top, right? So we can keep this as a sell entry and this as a entry point. So initial trade we are focusing this as our entry and this is what our stop, correct? But it doesn't broke the entry. Instead of without breaking the entry, it triggers you the sell or it triggers you the stop, means there is a chances of reversal is big. And finally it reversed back towards 1065. So the risk we have taken is around 7 rupees and it has fallen down from that level to 1000 almost 20 rupees plus. So that is what the scanner which we are using it for. The second stock is Escorts and third one is Apollo Hospital. So let me go for Apollo Hospital. What happened in that? This is also same thing which is happening because overall market is negative. And let's look at this risk is just about uh, 4714, sorry, 4719, almost 30-point risk for the trade. Once it is broken the low, almost 4691, and it is quick down towards 4554, almost 690 to 550, 150 point with a 30-point risk. And the third one is ace cards. If we go for ace cards, that is also not giving you entry, almost 15-point risk from 2175, it coming down to 206, almost 100-point down. So let's this 5 minutes, not about all the 5 minutes. So bearish stocks, power grid, PNB, can bank. So today I took some trade in can bank, so that was works well. And let I show you that a power grid and PNB in 5 minutes time frame. Power grid, what happened in power grid? This is what a third 5 minutes, and continuously fall down. So big. And can bank, Canara bank, that is also moving down from this 5 minutes, 39.37, 2 rupees. It was huge. So all the day it will not like this, but today the market is overall market is negative. That was moving huge. Z Entertainment, Bharat Forge, look at this, everything was fallen down, right? So another one, the stock which is increased today, I'm talking about Lalpath Lab, which is 15 minutes. How that momentum is continues on that stock. So the Lalpath Lab, let me go for the Lalpath Lab on 15 minutes time frame. This which I am taken for a first 3 15 minutes candles. If you are focusing this scanner, so we may be going for around 10 o'clock. Correct. We are going to focus for a 10 o'clock. So first 15 minutes 9:15 to 9:30. The second one is 9:30 to 9:45. The third one is 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So after that 10 o'clock, so if you are going to focus 2510 and the 2466, the stop loss. If the stop loss is suitable to you for the trade, you can go for a long kind of trade. So where there is a long opportunity which is up in 2510 and it went up to 2540 and closed by 10 rupees positive. So this is happening by first 15 minutes. But lot of stocks which is forming you, uh, let's say M&M, Power Grid, Can Bank, Federal Bank, a lot of stocks. Can Bank, let me go based on the 15 minutes. I am taking a Can Bank. So first three candles were negative at 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So here the low of that candle is broken. So we can keep the stop loss here, but why I'm going to make the stop loss at this point? It's a very small stop loss. There is a chances of trigger. So the previous candle stop loss I maintained it, and it was fallen down almost 229. The option price which I focused on today, one which I have taken on Can Bank, that is what the strike price, 230. I think, sorry, 240 put option, where it is started by I think I was taken around 7 rupees, 7.8 I think, and I exited with 9.8, 2 rupees. That was generative profit, and after that it went up to 12 and 13, and lot of stocks which is giving you some good opportunities on power grid. And M&M Finance, that unfortunately we booked yesterday. We bought M&M Finance, the same concept. I'll show you that. M&M Finance, you can see the 15 minutes. This is what the first 15 minutes on yesterday, 1 2 3 candle where it is broken the low. This is what nearby the stop loss, right? And after that, this high I have taken for a study, 230 put option. And finally yesterday it was very flat, but today it even gapped down. Yesterday it gives you the profit, I think. So at this point we booked out. Today it was very big. And in the Sun Bank also same like that happening. And let's look at that. 1 2 3 candles are negative. 1 2 3. So this is what entry around 1237, where I taken 1100 and 1260 put option around 48, and now it is today made almost 80 rupees. So today lot of stock. M&M Finance again, M&M Finance today it forms such a pattern, but it was not breaking that third candle low. There is no opportunity, right? And Federal Bank and Can Bank. Let me go for a Federal Bank. So first three candles are negative at this point. From 120 it coming down towards 116, almost 4 rupees down. So even 1 hour also working well, but 1 hour we cannot use for a intraday trade. It's a positional trade. We can use for a check as per your paper trade, and you can do 1 hour 3, 1 hours 1, 2, 3, and it is broken and then it fallen down. So first three 1 hour candles. Let's look at about Bank of Baroda. A lot of stocks which is happening today, and buy sides first three 1 hours today. Let's check these stocks instead of checking a downside stocks. Let me check these stocks. Divi's Labs and Pharma. What happened in that? Divi's Laboratories first three candle, it was a bullish. At the time it breaks the entry and it may triggers your stop loss. What was the stop loss? 3688 and 3659. That is also triggers your stop loss. And Sun Pharma, Metropolis. Let me go for Sun Pharma. Where it is happening? Why it is coming down to Sun Pharma on 16 minutes time frame? It's some data missing. It became, just wait. Let me check Ambuja Cement. Did this 1, 2, 3. But what happened in Sun Pharma? Sun Pharma not looking like that. Sorry, we have checked the Sun TV, right? Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma first three. Yes, first three candles are bullish. At the time, it may, if you are making a 5 paisa, so let me give you a buffer. So it is trigger your stop loss. The stop loss would be minimum, but the reversal, if it is happening at highest level, would be giving you better. Maybe the risk for the trade is 26 to 19. Okay, right. Metropolis and Ambuja Cement. Let me go for a Metropolis, and you can go through overall market also. Metropolis, there is a sell entry at the top 1467 and it coming down. So this was a generated a profit. So this dashboard will make you to generate such a good profit on a daily basis. So will help you to. I have already provided how to make the scanner, and I also shared you the scanner about this 5-minute bull and bear on my Telegram channel. If you want to if you want to get the scanner, join my Telegram channel. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on this comment box. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you have any doubt or questions, just comment on the comment box, and let me go. Thank you so much.